Just wrap that on.
Okay, so I am going to plan. And there's Donna.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's Kelly. There's Tony. And you know Dave.
Hi.
And Gary.
Konnichiwa.
So that's us, the usual suspects.
Is yours a packet colour?
No, hairdresser.
Alright, so I can't even have that colour put on my hair, just when it came.
Alright, Dave, you ready?
You know, it won't
No.
take through. So generally I get
You can go for it, but I'm just trying.
every 4 weeks, and I get foils done every few months.
Okay.
You know, just for highlights. Yeah, but doing it aggressively, you know, so you get less foils each time.
It's the trend.
What are you doing, Jude?
Just to try it out. If you don't like it, wash out.
Oh look, I can always, you know,
I keep forgetting how to start it.
then,
Just
get
looking
them
at
fully
me.
coloured again.
I feel like I'm being looked at.
Yeah.
You are being watched. I have got you on video.
Oh, is that Daddy?
It's Tonzo Man. Now it can take off from his head. Fly, be free, little bird. Because don't you need a license if you fly over a certain, or is that just an American thing?
No, we need to be registered. So we're registered to the drone.
Oh, I wanted to
And
go.
do you need to pass a test, like a driving test, a drone driving test?
Test.
No, it's true.
A droning test.
Drone driving test.
No.
That's what it's called.
A droning test.
Droning test. Because you sound like you're mocking. No, but also, all jokes aside, apparently they do that. In America, you've got to pass an actual physical.
I've just been
exam.
for a droning
You
test
need to get an actual
and
license,
I
similar to a
failed.
driver's license. Like it's a full-on study for an exam.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, get
certain
lost.
states.
Should be in front of you.
It's right in front of you.
Oh, it's just nice to see that.
It's just hovering there, like a little frog.
It is. It's
Yeah.
have a look at the screen, darling.
That's quite dark.
You're on there.
Or is it
That's
because
good.
sunny's on?
What?
Have a look at
No,
the screen.
because they've changed colour.
Yeah.
Is it staring? Is it staring?
Show it onto the screen.
Oh, you can't really see it too well, I suppose, the sun.
It's taking photos of me.
No, your video. I can do. I'll just take a picture of us. There's a picture. I just want to see if I
I'm
can...
waving, the tourists are waving.
That's where Gary got the Japanese thing.
Maybe.
I think he's subliminally like seen it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Konnichiwa.
Are you
It's
going
like
to do
a
one of
German
those
thing.
drone artworks where you get it to do this pirouetting and stuff?
Not here. I'm going to go down to... See, I'm just flying over.
Yeah, Kate's off to South Korea tomorrow, next Monday, the 19th.
That's exactly his property.
That's where all the good makeup
I'll go
comes
up a
from.
bit higher just to show
Korea.
them what trees are there.
And BTS.
Oh, of course.
Where am I?
BTS, yeah.
That's his property
Korean
down at the
K-pop
back.
band.
The boy band.
Oh, is
Yeah.
it the one that's going to be in Burswood next week or
That's
something?
still going. That's him out the back. I think I'll
Um,
turn around and come back because I don't want to lose it. I'm not used to this yet. I'm just turn around.
Conscription.
Is that boy
Where's it
band?
gone, Dave?
With the
Oh,
big-
yeah, I see
I
it.
think I've
there's,
seen
yeah.
little tubers doing
Oh, I
stuff.
don't. I keep forgetting it's back to front when you go the other way.
Yeah.
Here
We're
he
the old
comes.
tubers.
Hey,
Well, yeah,
This is
you know,
slow-mo.
old tubers. People want to watch old tubers as well. Who
That's
just
slow.
watch Gen Z doing shit?
Yeah.
Unless you're the
This
parent
is like,
of
I
one.
can put it in sports mode.
yeah.
I want to do
And
that.
that will use that back.
It literally looks like a little frog that's got like swimming in
That's
the
what I
water.
said to Dave. The underneath of it looks like a little frog.
Even the eyes. Look at the little
yeah,
eyes.
It's struggling with the wind.
Yeah.
The wind, that's me doing the stuff and that.
Dave's going, what?
You need to get like a little landing pad and practice.
You can, yeah.
Might give him a frog.
I don't know how to land on my hand yet.
Oh, come on, sweetheart.
You can do it. You can do it.
You're landing on the pole there.
I don't know if I can do it, eh?
Get him to land on that
Flying
little
forward,
No, that
boulder.
is-
watching the footage and something.
That'd be precision. flying. Yeah, I can
You
imagine.
need to get
Are you
some
using
practice
iMovie or?
landing on
No, Gomorrah.
the bollard. That could be fun.
I don't know if I can do it, eh?
His head.
Of course you can.
Too much wind. No, it's not going to let me.
Almost.
No, it's not going to let me, the wind.
Try to land him and then meet him.
Is that the sensors in your hand?
That's the sensor.
Oh, that's
I'm going to learn
right.
how to do that then, eh?
That's actually smart. It's actually you've got like.
That's all right, Dave. It's only your third time.
Okay, there you go.
That's cute.
That's too effing cute.
I know, isn't it?
Now you expect it to walk back to you.
No, plop. Don't.
So I'm going to get to the park where there's one where I can fly and make it go around me. And
Yeah.
so, yes,
So then he just folds up, does he? And goes back into the little bag.
Yeah, yeah, his little legs fold up.
Tracking one, no.
Dave, show Donna how his little legs fold up.
But it's the
It's
same
with
as
what?
if
He
you
was in a
start
little
playing
Oh,
your
I'm
game.
gonna-
drone bag, camera bag or whatever.
Yeah.
But when you play your game, you're all junky, and after about,
Yeah.
you know, so many hours of flying it, you're
The battery's in there, but I'll
Yeah.
just take that out.
Wow. How long's the battery last?
25 minutes.
Okay.
But in this wind,
That's a
they
good
might
amount.
get 15.
Yeah.
They just fold over.
So he's got spare batteries.
Oh, well.
He's gone to sleep now.
Oh, no.
I pulled his guts out.
Sleep mode.
And do you make sure that you put dump it the same way? Because it looks like something real and you can't have it upside
I
down.
know.
No, then you've got his little protector.
No, but like Dave wants to get something to put around his little legs.
Yeah, to hold it in there
See,
like
now
that.
he looks even more froggy-like.
Wouldn't that be like
no,
a
just be
security
like a little
thing
arm.
when you're going through?
Wait,
Yeah, that's what I'm going to get to go around like that, yeah.
Yeah.
There are some countries that won't allow you to take it going through. So
Oh, God, it's still good.
he won't go to those countries.
Bali's okay?
I'll take a picture
I
of that.
don't know. We'll have to suss that one out. But yeah,
Oh, I'm not taking the Bali,
we
no.
won't be taking the drone to Bali.
I'm allowed to take the Thai because it's under a certain weight and you don't have to license before you enter. I
Yeah.
get the
Here,
license
like your
over
life
there.
before you move.
That's what I think. 6.5.